Hi, my name is David Rocheford, and I'm a real estate attorney of the law office of David R. Rocheford, Jr. My office represents mortgage lenders and buyers and sellers of real estate. You may have heard about title insurance and wondering what it is. Well, like any other insurance, it insures the ownership and the chain of title of the property. If you're buying real estate, that real estate's been around for a long, long time, and the chain of title is basically the ownership, the chain of ownership over the past hundreds of years, who's owned the property, and the liens and encumbrances that have been put on the property. They all form the chain of title, and from one owner to the next, that chain of title is passed on. When you purchase property, you want to make sure that you're purchasing a clear, clean chain of title, and that is that the person that's selling the property to you actually owns it, and there aren't any encumbrances or liens that you're not aware of, and things that you don't want to assume. So the title insurance covers any defects. Anything that you didn't want in the chain of title, or anything that can affect you negatively, can be insured over. Basically, a real estate attorney will do an abstract of title, examine the title to the chain of title, and make sure that all encumbrances and mortgages and anything nasty, so to speak, on the chain of title is either addressed or has been addressed or is non-existent. If anything is found, then at the closing or prior to closing, those items are dealt with and cleaned up. The most common is paying off current mortgages. Quite often, some mortgages aren't discharged properly in the chain of title, and they can be passed on to the new owners. So the title examination checks for those items, cleans them up. There are things that title examination won't disclose or can't disclose because, such as forged deeds that were signed by people who don't have capacity to sign them, misfiled documents at the Registry of Deeds and such. So title insurance actually protects the new homeowner from these things cropping up and forcing them to relinquish title to somebody else or pay off things in the chain of title to make the chain of title clean. For a simple one-time premium payment, it's a pretty good protection to have. Like any other insurance, you don't wish you had it until you need it, and if you don't have it, it can be very expensive.